Hey guys, it's Jess back with an eyeshadow tutorial. Just going in with some NYX white paint pot, priming my lids. Gonna use the buff brush to spread that out. Mihaya in the lid, straight up to the crease, right in the middle of the eye. Then we're gonna do Tiawanda, Dabadi, then Duke. Then number 33 is gonna go in the crease. And when I tell you guys, this is a trust the process look, it is a trust the process look. We are gonna blend, 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 windshield wiper and small circular motions. You can see the process is transforming itself. I like to use the blend brush to help. I'm gonna go in with La La Land on the crease and the lid, Gonna go in with some Aura in my brow for highlight, and then I will also go over that with Cupcake. Gonna go in with some Midnight in that outer V. Once again, just blending, blending, blending. Now it's time for some liner and smoking out the lower lash line. I'm using Black Friday gel liner. Putting a little bit of La La Land in the inner corners. And smudging out a little bit of Black Friday. And there you go. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like and follow for more.